Good evening, friends. Welcome to Passive Money. Okay, after the weekend, this week, tomorrow is the first day for our stock market. So, in this week, we are going to buy four stocks: Titan, TCS, Infosys, and DMart. And already last 2 weeks we bought and we are carry forwarding the stocks are Hindustan Unilever, Aura Pharma, Escort, and Cola India. These four stocks, old stocks, are already bought and we are carry forwarding to the third week. And this week we are going to buy Titan, TCS, Infosys, and DMart because we are going to see the all the quarterly three results. That's why we are going to we can see some upside movements. Okay, so I will explain one by one. Before going to the stock market, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. You will get a notifications when I upload the new videos. Okay, so as I already told you, Hindustan Unilever entry was 2380 in the first week also, and after that we have seen almost 95 points, sorry, 360 our entry point, right? So 95 points we have seen and it's came down now at maybe tomorrow or in this week our target going to reach 2550 is our my target actually. Our Pharma in last week last video as I explained, it is going to little bit down or otherwise it will bounce back from 945. So maybe tomorrow it's bounce back, otherwise it going to some more times. That's why it is almost our target is reached 995. Actually 1000 is our target, 995 is our it reached made a high. That's why already explained. See, suppose our target is 100 points, we suppose if you should book around 80-90 points because exact numbers we are not able to so guessing, right? So that's why we suppose if I 80-90% of we can guess, so our target will come like this. That's why our target is 1000, as I told, 1000 rupees, but it made a high of 996.85. Okay, so you can wait for our target, otherwise we can book a profit tomorrow after opening. Okay, and already we bought this Escort also. 1290 is our entry point and our target is 1370 rupees or 1400 also you can book a profit. Okay, and Cola India, our entry is actually 133 and target is our 150. Okay, so we can wait for these are all the stocks in current week and we are carry forwarding from the last week to the this week. So in this week we are going to buy the new stocks called Titan, and it is a good technical structure we have, so we can see the some upside movement also. Suppose if you enter 1550, our target is actually 1650. Okay, we can book a profit around here, 100 points we can earn. And TCS, we got a quarterly three results, it's a good result. So maybe I'm guessing like tomorrow it is going to gap up kind of things. Okay, so our target is actually 3400, around 3400 we can book a profit. Okay, maybe it will go to the move upside to 3500 is also possibility, but first we should see if we book a profit of 3400, half of the quantity, otherwise we can carry forward the remaining things. Okay, and on Wednesday, January 13th, the Infi result is coming. That's why we are going to buy these stocks tomorrow only. So 1312 is our entry. Suppose if we enter here, if you otherwise we can see some dip. If I got the dip also, we can buy that one because on Wednesday we are going to see this result also. Yesterday we got a result of DMart, 60% of profit they are saying. That's why, so our suppose if we this one is also some gap of kind of things, so it will possible for tomorrow. So our target is actually 3500. See guys, suppose if we enter the around 3000, our 3500 is our target, or 3400 also. So don't wait much time. If you got a profit kind of things, so book a profit off of at least 60 for 70% of book a profit, remaining you can wait for the our target actually. Okay, because so suppose if you say 100 points, so it's not possible for 100 points in DMart. TCS it is possible in some small quantities like the Escort, Infosys, these are the 100 points is not possible, right? That's why I'm saying, like, so if I points 100 points, so you can book a profit around 70-80 is good, and 90 is also better, very good actually. So and suppose if we reach our target, it's a fantastic. Okay, so like this I am doing the strategy. Okay, these are all the stocks only for educational purpose. Before investing your valued earned money, please double check and buy these are all the stocks. Okay, because what I these are all not for the intraday purpose. So these stocks you won't see the any intraday perspective, right? So that's why I'm keep on repeating. Don't do any intraday with the whatever the recommendations. Okay, for short term trading also what I am saying, please double check and invest your value earned money, because your capital, suppose if you give the security to your capital amount, that amount will give the security to your life. That is most important point, guys. Please, 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 okay, please like this video and share this to your video to your friend and family, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Okay, when I upload the new video you will get to know the notifications. Okay, thank you guys, bye.